everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to introduce you our new ORCA thermal flask. This thermal flask remains our classic handle design. You can open the lid and put it all the way down to enjoy your favorite beverage. You can also use this as handle for easy carry. It has this double wall vacuum insulation and that keep your beverage hot or cold for hours. This time we're bringing you 5 different colors which are all very vibrant and stylish. From the bottom you can see our ORCA coating logos as well as our patent number. Now I'm going to show you how to print your own ORCA thermal flask. If you want to print full width, you have to use the oven, but today I'm going to use this arc press just to demonstrate. First of all, set temperature to 180 centigrade and time to 15 seconds. Tape your favorite design on the bottle, remove the lid, and put it in the arc press. Voila! Now you have your own ORCA thermal flask. If you want to know more information about this product, please go to our website. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe us. See you next time. Bye!